2016 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, overhead console, power moonroof. Come take a test drive today.